Everyone. In this video, I will tell you how to convert Lazada coins to your Lazada wallet. First, open the Lazada and log into your account. Then, go to the account tab located at the bottom right corner of the screen. This section is where you will find all the rewards related information. Scroll down slightly and look for My Lazada Wallet section. Tap on it, then click on Activate. On the activation screen, enter your mobile number and tap Get Code. A verification code will be sent to your number. Once you receive it, enter the code in the provided field and click on Activate Wallet. After successfully activating your wallet, your Lazada coins will automatically be converted into your Lazada wallet balance. And that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe for more informative videos. Until next time, goodbye.